how to get 4 American Express cards with just one inquiry. Hi, this is Joe from the Credit Veteran Club, coming to you every day to bring you credit information that will give you knowledge, because over here we believe that everyone, and I mean everybody, deserves to be equipped with enough information to take their credit to the next level. Listen to this. Have you tried this? If you haven't, I have. How to get 4 American Express cards with just one inquiry. However, you need to have at least a 700 credit score, 2 primary accounts on your credit. Then go ahead and apply for 4 American credit cards at one time. You will get 2 personal and 2 business. Open 4 browsers. That's Chrome, Explorer, Firefox, and Safari. Fill the entire application for all the 4 cards and submit all the 4 within 30 seconds of each, okay? I have tried it and I know it works. I have more than I need American Express cards. But if you don't have a 700 or less, then you need to talk to me. My number is 678-528-2569. Our mission is to help you learn the credit game so that you get to be part of the 800 club with me. Please don't hesitate to call us. And remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell below, and then you'll be able to get our videos as they come. Thumbs up, like, share, so that you can reach as many people as possible. That's our mission at the Credit Veteran Club. See you.